Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create layouts with Section Grid in Wix Studio. This powerful tool gives you the flexibility to design professional and responsive web pages. Whether you're building a portfolio, a business site, or a blog, mastering the Section Grid can greatly enhance your design and site functionality. Let's start by opening up your Wix Studio and navigating to the page where you want to add the grid layout. Once there, you'll see an Add button usually located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a host of options, but what we're particularly interested in is the Section option. Select this, and a drop-down featuring Add Section to Page will appear. Within this menu, there are multiple section types to choose from based on your design needs. For the purposes of this tutorial, however, we're focused on finding the grid category. Once you've selected the grid category, you'll see various predefined grid layouts. Each of these can serve as a great starting point for your design. Selecting one will automatically add it to your page, but remember, this is just the beginning. What makes Wix Studio so dynamic is your ability to fully customize these grids according to your vision. Notice how the grid section is composed of distinct boxes. These boxes are your cells. Each one can hold different types of content, be it images, text, or any multimedia elements. By clicking on a cell, you'll access different properties that allow you to either replace or add new content. Now, let's talk about resizing and reorganizing. It's simple. Hover over the edges of any cell until a double-headed arrow appears. You can drag this to resize the cell. Alternatively, if you wish to reorganize which cell is placed where, just click and drag the cell to a new position. Such maneuverability offers an incredible level of customization that is not only visually appealing but also functional across different devices and screen sizes. As you work through customizing your grid, it's crucial to remember the functionality of the grid system. It automatically resizes based on the screen width, ensuring that your design is responsive. You can preview the changes by using the Preview button at the top right corner of the editor. This allows you to get an idea of what visitors will experience when viewing your site on different devices. Finally, don't forget the importance of saving your work. Click the Save button located at the top of the screen regularly to ensure none of your hard work is lost. Once satisfied with the design, you can hit Publish to make your changes live. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating layouts using the Section Grid in Wix Studio. With these tools at your disposal, the possibilities are vast and exciting. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!